Hello friends, today we make soil moisture sensor with Arduino. Now start the project. First we open Tinkercad. This is the Tinkercad text code and now search the component. First we search controller. That's the name of Arduino UNO. Then drag and drop here. After that we search soil moisture sensor. We search soil moisture sensor. This is a soil moisture sensor. Now again we search LCD. Here we type the name LCD. We can use 16 cross 2 LCD. Now I have to connect the circuit. First GND pin connect to the GND of the Arduino. This is the GND pin. GND means ground pin connect to the ground. And also change the color. Then we identify the black color is negative. And second is power pin connect to the power of the Arduino. This is a 5 volt red. And now SDA pin connect to the A4 of the Arduino and also change color yellow, and SCL pin connect to the A5 of the Arduino. This is A5. This is the I2C pin, SDA and SCL pin. Now LCD is connected. Now connect the soil moisture sensor. This is the power button connect to the 5 volt of the Arduino. I have connected 5 volt. Also change the color red. Second is the ground terminal, connect to the ground of the Arduino. You can also connect the ground from here. This is also a GND pin of the Arduino. Also change the color red black. And the last one, signal. This is a signal pin connect to the A4 of A0 of the Arduino. I have selected the A0 because I have write in the code A0. You can also change the pin as you wish. This is a signal pin. I have selected purple and make the straight line. Now circuit is completed. Now click on the code section and see the code. Now delete this. Delete this code. If you are using sensor, then click on the variable button and create variable soil sensor and click OK. Now increase the screen and take the set soil moisture sensor and go to the input block A0 because I have connected the signal pin connect to the A0 of the Arduino. Click on the code and now go to the output block and take the serial print. Click on the variable and choose the block of soil sensor. Now click on the button and see in the value on the serial monitor. Click on the serial monitor. If sensor is in dry condition, then value is 0. If sensor is wet condition, then maximum value is 871. Now we have to make a code. Now go to the output block, minimize the serial monitor, set LCD, configuration LCD, and go to the set position. First we set position 00 and print to LCD soil moisture sensor. Soil moisture sensor. Now go to the control block. Take the if else block. If condition is followed, if soil moisture sensor is wet, then print on the LCD is wet. If soil moisture is dry, then print on the serial monitor is dry. Now go to the math section and drag and drop this block and go to the variable soil sensor. If soil sensor is greater than 300, if the value is greater than 300, then sensor is in wet condition. Go to the output and take the set block, set position and take the LCD print. Set position 0 and 1. This is X value and this is Y value. Now click on the duplicate button and put here. Soil is in wet condition, dry condition, wet condition. Water is ejected. Water is ejected. Here we write water not detected. Not detected. And now start simulate. In the LCD you can see soil moisture sensor, and click on the soil moisture sensor. You can see this is the wet dry condition, then water not detected. Also click on the serial monitor. If the values increase, you can see if the value is greater than 800, then you have to print, see, water is detected. If the sensor value is less than 300, then sensor is in dry condition, then water is not detected. If sensor value is greater than 300, then water is detected. Code also given in the description. You can download the code. Also make the hardware project also. I have also shared the link of this project. You can test the circuit. Don't change the circuit. Only test the circuit in the Tinkercad. If you have any problem, then comment also. Thank you all friends.